not everybody can kind of build physical architectural models that easily, but this actually kind of democratizes the way anybody can build a model. So that's what it's doing. It's opening up the possibility for others to do that. So I'm really delighted that Connie has introduced me to yourselves, and that I'm not sure how many of you are going to be able to come along as part of the delegation, but I'd be really delighted whoever would like to come onto our booth and to showcase your talents and to showcase how you can integrate Arckit with other products such as SAM Labs and be able to bring technology to Arckit in connection with other products such as SAM Labs. The idea for BETT really is in the grander scheme, we're quite new in the education world, but we've got a lot of great interest from schools around the world because hands-on learning is coming back, experiential learning is coming back into schools, and it's becoming such a fundamental part of our education today. And so at the show, whoever is going to be at our booth, you'll see that there's a lot of interest from educators because they're seeing something that's real, that's tangible, but not only that, that it can also integrate with technology. And whoever's going to be in our booth, you guys there are going to show how it's going to integrate with other technologies in that physical sense. I mentioned to Connie on another sideline, if you like, some of you are probably familiar with Tinkercad. So that's obviously a digital building platform. And what we're doing with Tinkercad is we're integrating Arckit's products into Tinkercad shortly. And so they're going to be available digitally as well to be able to build and explore with. I don't know if you use Tinkercad in Hong Kong, but I think that's something that's going to be of significance and of great interest to educators. But I'm really excited to see what you guys can bring to Arckit. I really think the possibilities are endless. Many people kind of call it an architect's Lego or a sophisticated Lego. And essentially that's what it is. It's not trying to be a toy or trying to copy Lego. It really was inspired by a real sort of building system. And so I think, the world is your oyster in terms of showcasing what you can do with it. And I'm really excited to see where that can go. If you have any questions, I'd be delighted to answer them.
Any questions?
One thing I wanted to say as well, very quickly, was that Arckit it's very open-ended. So there's nothing you can think of Arckit and think of each component in different ways. So if you wanted to use it for something in particular, you can. It doesn't have to be a door. It can be a louver if you want it to be, for example. And also you can think of it and explore it at different scales. So, that general 1:50 scale, it could be 1:100, it could be 1:200. It's very open in that regard. So whether you want to build your room, your home, or your neighborhood, it's kind of possible with Arckit. And that's really all.
Okay, thank you very much for your time, and we'll continue our section. So bye now. Thank you.
Thanks very much, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.